Wanna see him? Look at him. Look at this, JJ. Whoa. JJ, come here, check this out. Look at that. It's a bearded dragon.
Bearded dragon lizard.
Yeah, bearded dragon. Look at that big one. Little Richard. Wow. There's a turtle over here. There's a turtle right here. Look at it right here. It's a Russian tortoise. Look at Turbo. Look at him. Isn't he cool?
Yeah, but how much was he something else?
What about these ones over here? There's a snake.
Snake?
Yeah. What's over here? Look at that snake.
I should hug one of this.
It's a corn snake.
Yeah.
That's a nice one, huh?
Hey, let's go.
Look at that spider. That's a big spider.
I'm too small. Look at this snake.
Yeah, look at that snake. It's a boa. Isn't that big?
Yep. How can I see the spider?
I'm gonna hold you up. Look at a big spider. It's hairy, isn't it? So hairy.
That spider is probably 6 or 7 years old.
Oh, I believe it.
Well, it's the 4th largest tarantula in the world.
Wow.
So the way you measure them is fully sprawled out.
Mhm.
Like pretend they're in a box, fully sprawled out from one corner to the other corner.
Hey.
And then
Let's go suck
any
it
way
out.
you measure them.
What do you think, about 8 inches?
7.5 to 10 inches.
Something
That's
else,
across, yeah.
That's incredible.
Let's go something else, please.
Wow, that's impressive.
Males of that breed only live 5. I won't get as big.
Wow. What about these?
Generally, with reptiles or females are bigger
Yeah.
because they have the little eggs.
Look at
Yeah,
that skull.
absolutely. It's a sand boa. You see the snake in there?
I see that snake. Let's go something else.
You see this big snake up here? It's a ball python.
I can't
Look at him.
You want to hold one?
see the python.
Pretty cool, huh?
Let's go see something else.
Okay.
Come on.
What's in here?
I have 2 and 3-year-olds who do this all the time. These ones,
Let's go over here.
What's over here?
There's a train. A train, that's it. A train.
The train.
Let's see what it is.
Is that Barney the dinosaur? It's a zebu.
He's a nice pet.
I don't have any quarters, darn it.
Quarters?
Yeah, that's okay. You could pretend to write it.
Let's go see the
Look at this right here. That's an axolotl.
Yeah, there's another axolotl.
Pretty cool, huh? Wow, look at that fish up there.
I see the
Is that a
fish.
fake one? I think it's a fake fish.
I can go up this. I gotta go up here.
You take your picture? Say cheese. Say cheese.
I need a train.
Say cheese.
I'm going this water and try to go for the train.
Yeah.
Wait.
You want to go see these fish over here?
Come on.
Look at this.
These are
Hey, look,
fish.
it's Nemo.
It's Nemo.
Yeah. Look at this little fishy over here.
I see the fish.
You see the sea anemones?
See them in the
Yeah.
Come on. That's cool here.
Yeah.
How can I get in?
Yeah, you want to get in? You could get in there and play with it if you want.
This is so much fun.
Yeah.
It's an airplane.
It is an airplane.
The big Coco car.
JJ, look, prairie dogs.
Look,
Oh man. JJ, there's prairie dogs. Look at him. Oh, you got some in your boot? Look at him, he's digging a hole, JJ. Look at. JJ, look at. It's a prairie dog. It's digging a hole. What's this over here? Hey JJ, there's a sloth over here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's a big sloth. There's a real sloth in there. Hey JJ, look at. See him in there? There's a real sloth up there.
Yeah.
It is pretty cool. You want to go see what's living over here? There's a tortoise. JJ, look it. It's a big one.
Big turtle.
Yeah, he's sleeping.
Yes.
That's a great big one, huh? Wow.
Look at that clock on that TV right there.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Should we go inside and go feed the animals?
Beep, beep, beep. Here
Is that a flag? That's awesome.
Look at this flag.
Should we go feed the animals?
Let's play right here, okay?
Okay.
Look at this.
Look, it's a tortoise. Come here, look at. Look at, look at.
Aw.
Do you want to feed him a piece of lettuce?
Yeah, let's feed him a piece of lettuce.
Okay. Okay, hand that to him. Watch your finger. Oh, you dropped it. There you go, feed him that. There he goes. Oh, he's eating it.
He's eating it.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Yeah.
I gotta feed some.
Nope, he's got enough. He's got enough. You want to go feed the other animals over there? Yeah, it is. You want to go around this way and feed that little wallaby thing? Let's go feed this guy. Look at him right there. It's an axolotl.
There's an axolotl right there.
Yeah.
Did you see that?
Yeah, there's another one right there.
Oh, wait. Two females.
Oh, okay.
Male. female.
Okay.
So by 2 bumps behind
Yeah,
me.
that one's absolutely massive. I've never seen one that
That's it.
big.
Well, we were rich. The night crawlers, worms. We were cutting them. Those are the biggest worms that
Yeah.
you can get. Really, we were cutting them in half and feeding half every day. But technically, males,
They're amazing.
full-grown adults, they only need to get fed 2 to 3 times a week.
Oh, wow.
Now we went to red wigglers, which are even one full red wiggler is like
You're watching Animal Law.
you need 4 or 5 of those to have half a night crawler.
Wow.
So I originally was doing it every other day until, and then for the past week or 2 we've had only the red wigglers. And last night I finally posted on our chat saying they can be fed every day now.
Wow. That's impressive.
These guys are swamp creatures.
Yeah.
So if you see snails and stuff, the snails are perfectly fine for them to eat.
Yeah.
But I'm working on cleaning out the snake. I can clean out this half,
Oh, okay.
but I want to keep that big bush because they'll lay the big bushes because they'll lay their eggs on it. I want to get another cave because one of these females tried slipping in here with the albino.
Oh, no.
I'll try. I'm gonna try saving their babies this time.
Awesome.
Well,
Because if you don't, they just eat them?
yeah, some sources said lifeline shrimp, some said frozen. I couldn't get my hands on eggs, and all I had was frozen because I have fish in my house. So I tried
okay.
frozen, they all died.
Oh,
I
no.
pulled like 200 eggs, and only like 100 of them hatched.
Wow.
So it's the way the hobby is. And these are, if you're not looking to breed them, they shouldn't be here.
Yeah.
But if you were gonna get a test and have this many in, this is fine because people don't know a lot about fish tanks, but
Yeah.
in my opinion, it needs to be half as tall because they hate current.
Yeah.
I originally had jets going all the way across.
Oh,
And
wow.
I took them all. I took 2 of them.
So they
off.
prefer stagnant water?
Yeah, they prefer bottom, so I would do half as tall, 2 or 3 times as long
Yeah, that makes sense.
for them. But the filter, I don't know how many gallons this is. My 29 gallon is probably like this big.
Yeah.
So, and
Looks like probably, what do you think, like 100 gallon?
maybe.
You're on the train.
I took out when I cleaned out the size from this half. This makes it really dirty. I took out 15 gallons and the water was down here.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
not too bad.
Awesome.
And I clean out the filter. I used to do it once a week to just rinse everything out. I haven't redone any of the biomedia or anything.
Okay.
I just rinsed it out because basically if I wanted to do biomedia and everything, I'd rinse off the other ones, flush all the new stuff off, and
Yeah.
squeeze the matte pieces that are in filter onto the new ones.
Okay.
So they still have some bacteria. But the canister filter is rated for like 150 gallons or so.
Oh, wow. That's perfect.
So yeah, I have a canister filter on my 29 gallon tank that's rated for 100 gallons.
I bet it keeps it nice and clean.
I mean, just not the bottom.
Yeah.
But that way I can put biomedia, which I've always fallen in love with canister filter. If
Sure.
you have a small tank and a filter reaches down close to the bottom, that's just a normal fish filter.
Yeah.
Go ahead. But since they like dirty waters,
Awesome.
I'm gonna do a few more caves and stuff, angle the pieces of wood places, so they can actually have more places to hide.
Okay.
So that one.
What do you think, JJ? You want to go feed those animals over there now? I really want to. Yeah, totally.
Hey, look at that.
Can you go see them with me real quick?
Look at those fishies. Look at those fishies.
I want to go see this wallaby. It's like a kangaroo. Do you see it? You want to go feed it? Yeah, let's go feed it some lettuce. Yeah, let's go. Slow down. Slow down. You see it? You want to feed it? Yeah, let's feed it. You're gonna feed it the carrot? Feed it the carrot. Gotta get it really close. Gotta get really close. Oh, got it.
It's eating it.
Yeah.
Is he eating it?
Yeah, do you want to go in there and see what other animals are in there that we could feed?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Go in.
Okay, right over here, JJ. Hey, JJ. Aw. Here's the door here. Okay, ready? Look at the goats. Oh, look at that. Look at the goats. You want to feed them?
Let's go feed them.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There you go. Feed them. Oh. Mm. Oh. How's it going? Hey. You're persistent. You gonna pet him? You gonna feed that one a carrot? Oh, it's okay. Oh, you gotta pet him really nice. What is that right there?
It's a chicken.
Let's go see it.
Let's feed it.
Yeah.
Some lettuce?
I don't know if it'll eat it or not. Pretty cool, huh?
What is this? Lettuce.
Oh, here they come.
Look at the cow. The cow's actually.
Yeah. You want to pet it?
That's a silly cow.
Yeah. Oh, here we come.
Look at another cow.
Yeah.
Another cow.
You wanna feed the little baby goat?
Yeah,
Here you go.
let's feed it.
Oh. Wanna feed him? There you go.
It's eating.
Yeah.
It's eating.
You wanna see the bunnies?
Yeah.
Look at the bunnies over here.
Can you go see them?
We don't have any more bunny food. Hey, look, a guinea pig. Oh, what's that?
It's a kangaroo. What is it? It's a what?
Look at this bunny. You want to pet this bunny? It's really fluffy. Look at these little goats. What color is that? Black? Black and white? Hey, look, chickens.
I want one of the train, please. Let's go to the train.
You want to go see these birds real quick?
No, let's go.
Okay.
Look at that big little sheep.
Yeah, it's a big sheep. You want to pet it? Yeah. See these tiny, teeny little goats. Look at these little goats. Look at these tiny little goats. Oh my gosh. So cute. Little goats. JJ, look, a pig. You want to pet him? I want to pet him. Oh.
Let's go to the
You want to
train.
pet the pig? You should pet the pig real quick.
Look at that.
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
it's got a pretty collar on it, huh?
Yeah, let's go feed those. Hey, well, let's go to the train where I belong, okay?
We're gonna go, you wanna go back that way?
Yeah, but let's go to the train.
I wanna see if I can find some quarters. We gotta go around this way, JJ. Let's go around this way. Hey, the doors. We can. The door's this way, JJ. The door's this. We gotta go around this way. We gotta go around this way. Okay.
What does this say? What does this say? And what does this say?
This says, you can pet my feet and shell, do not touch my face. That's Oliver. Isn't he cool? I'm gonna pet his shell. Wow.
It's very naughty, huh?
You ask me? Are super cool.
Who is that?
I don't know. What's that fishy's name? Where's Dory?
He's called Dory.
Oh, okay.
Look at those
Sea anemones.
enemies.
JJ, come here. Look at their otters. Look at him. You see him? Look at him go. He's swinging. Isn't that cool?
Look at the
Look at it. He's spinning. Oh, look at him. They're so cute.
Yeah.
Look at him right there. Oh my goodness. Look at him.
I'm too heavy. I see them right there.